Hanji, we are bringing you an upcoming new listing where in the premium community of Carrington, where you can see there is a McDonald's, no frills, all the plazas nearby, and this area is one of the premium because this has all the easy access to highway Stony Trail, just 2 minutes, and neighboring community Livingston, and this side Embleton and Evanston. Everything is premium in this area. Here 2 bedroom, 2 bath within underground parking, low condo fees, and everything has been fully upgraded with a square feet of over 900 square feet. So stay tuned, like, comment, share this video, and stay tuned. We'll give you a full tour how you can afford a new apartment with just over $21,000 down payment and live luxury in the community of Carrington. Let's go inside. Okay जी, now हैगे ਆਪਾਂ यूनिट ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ. So this is a similar unit. Entry ਕਰਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ entry way ਹੈ and ਅੱਗੇ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ laundry, washer dryer included ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ and floor tiled ਹੈਗਾ ਆ. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ 2 bedroom, 2 bath and fully upgraded. So now we are going into the master bedroom, which is actually fully carpeted and upper ceiling ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਧੀਆ finishes ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ and lights ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ pot lights. So master bedroom ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ in suite, it's actually double sink, standing shower and ਅੱਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ walk-in closet attached, right? So this is pretty convenient for couples or single family ਜਿਹੜੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ master bedroom ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ, so you can get ready and directly go to work. See the amount of space you have in the closet. Okay, master bedroom ਦੇ ਪਾਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਨ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ kitchen open concept. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ stainless steel appliances with double door fridge and freezer downstairs ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ and electric ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਆਪਣਾ oven and ਨਾਲ cooktop and you get microwave over the range and ਉੱਪਰ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ block head ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ up to the ceiling height cabinets ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ quad से countertops ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ and ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਣਾ sitting area ਹੈਗਾ you can use the countertop here for your dining space or you can have your dining space separately here and ਨਾਲ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਹੈਗਾ easy access to the balcony. So quite spacious, बहुत सारी लाइट आती हैगी है and एक ना unit हैगा it's actually facing the road, so lots of light, no neighbors behind, कोई apartment building पीछे block नहीं कर रही हैगी. So next चीज जो हैगी है वो हैगी है अपनी living area. So you can see this is the space for TV mount. इसे तुसी बढ़िया TV setup करके you can put a L-shaped couch and enjoy the family time. And if ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ 2 bedroom 2 bath. So now we'll go to the second bedroom and ਦੱਸ ਦਵਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ condo fees ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ 357 and that include your heat, insurance, water and everything like waste except electricity. All you got to do is only pay electricity bill and a unit ਤੁਹਾਡਾ. So ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਇੱਧਰ ਆਪਣਾ second washroom ਅੱਗੇ ਤੇ ਦੱਸ ਦਵਾਂ ਕਿ ਅੰਡਰਗਰਾਉਂਡ ਪਾਰਕਿੰਗ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਹੈਡੇਕ ਟੂ ਸ਼ਵਲ ਦਾ ਸਨੋ ਫਰਮ ਯੋਰ ਕਾਰ ਇਨ ਦ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ that gets reduced. So pricing ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ this is actually 420 pricing ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ and you need roughly $21,000 down payment. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ remaining mortgage payment ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ that will be roughly ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈਗੀ $2,300-$2,400. If you do 20% down payment then ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਉਹ 1800 ਤੋਂ 2000 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ mortgage payment ਰਹਿ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ and on top 350 additional condo fee and HOA fee of $100. So ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ apartment and ਦੱਸਦਾ ਕਿ ਹੈਗਾ 4th floor ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, so no neighbors upstairs, so no problem of noise and it's a peaceful community Carrington. Next ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ all the nearby amenities. Well, this is the type of amenities you get in this neighborhood. You can see around, you can enjoy working here, plus you have a small basketball court there, right there, kids play area, and you have McDonald's across in the same plaza. You also have fitness center and you have a Dollarama, lots of shops, plus This is an active area where you get bus service on the intersection there, and you have easy access to Stony Trail. So imagine living in Carrington in your beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful, amazing apartment, and enjoying the nature, enjoying with your kids, with your family in this beautiful neighborhood. Well, I hope you like this overall tour, and if you want more information or exclusive tour of this beautiful top floor apartment, give a call with the number displaying below, or give a message, DM, comment, and we'll make sure you get all the information to make sure you like and love this beautiful apartment. So if you want more videos like this, like, comment, share, and we'll help you out and make sure you get your dream homes. Till the next time, ख्याल रखियो.